Fractions of a set. Let's say I have 2/5 of 15. So that would be I have 15 apples and someone ate 2/5 of them. What number would that be? Now, I want students to have a good understanding of what's happening in this situation. So I want them to draw it out. And then after they understand, they can draw it out. Then I don't mind them doing the calculations. But for now, if they could draw it out first, and you can practice the calculations later. So in this case, there's two ways to kind of draw it out. One is, if I have 15 apples and someone ate 2/5 of them, I get them to draw out the 15 apples. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I've got my 15 apples. And as I've said in previous videos, I always ask the students, what's another way to say 2/5? And they might say 2 out of 5. So 2 out of 5. So that means for every 5, I'm going to change the color of this. For every 5 of these apples, okay, then someone eats 2 of them. 2 out of every 5. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer would be 6. 2/5 of 15 is 6. Now, another way to do it, which is really the kind of real way that it's happening, is you take 15, and 15 is going to be broken up into 5 groups equally. So it's really like 5 times what equals 15. So it's 5 times 3 equals 15. So really, I need to put groups of 3, 1, 2, 3. I should have 5 groups of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's really what's happening. It's 15 is broke up into 5 equal groups, and that makes 3 in each group. And out of those groups, I have 2 out of the 5 groups. So these are my 5 groups here. Well, I've got 2 out of the 5. They ate 2 out of the 5 groups, which would be 6. Same answer as here. So they can do it either way. Draw this out to represent what this fraction of a set is. Now, really what's happening after, you can teach your child this, is to do it without drawing it. That's why this method here is a little more on track with what they have to do. It's just students sometimes have problems saying 5 times what equals 15. And so this method can help them if they don't have a good handle on the multiplication tables. But eventually they're going to have to know 5 times 3 equals 15. And so they know they've got 3 in each group. And how many groups do they have? 2 of them. So it's really 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So this is how they would do it without drawing it out. 5 times how much equals 15, and then times that by this numerator, this top number, by the number of groups, 3. Well, I've got 2 groups of 3, which equals 6.